Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and this whole weekend, extended weekend, I am at the Rock Island Auction Company attending their February 2020 Sporting and Collector's Auction, which is ginormous with like 11,000 guns. And I figured what I'm going to do is some videos on some guns that we haven't really previously covered that they actually have for sale here at the auction. So today, one of the lots going up for sale today is a pair of FN49s. Now we've looked at a couple FN49s, but so far just snipers. This one, so this is a two-gun lot. The first gun here, this is a Venezuelan contract, which means 7x57 Mauser caliber, which I think is pretty cool. If you'd ever thought like, oh, you know, I wish NATO had gone with a smaller caliber, a little less recoil, like still a battle rifle, but a little easier to shoot. Well, 7mm Mauser is a fantastic cartridge for exactly that sort of thing. Venezuela bought, as did a few other countries, bought its FN49s in 7 Mauser. So we have a nice example here of that. Looks like at least our top cover and barrel assembly are matching. Got the textured butt plate on there. And, as I said, this is a two-gun lot. So, in addition to a Venezuelan contract, it also has an Argentine contract one, which has a little bit of a difference in markings. We have an Argentine crest up here on the receiver. We have an ARA mark there, which actually indicates use by the Argentine Navy. Now, Argentina also purchased these rifles in 7mm. However, the Argentine Navy upgraded them later on to 7.62 NATO. You'll notice this doesn't have a muzzle device. It does have a bit of a weld there, unfortunately. But when the Argentine Navy updated the guns to 7.62 NATO, they also did something that is unique in FN49s. Namely, they replaced the fixed 10-round magazine with a detachable 20-round magazine. The magazine has been taken out of this gun because this is a preview day at the auction and they don't want magazines to lock off. But these actually came with 20-round proprietary purpose-built magazines for the Argentine Navy, and they're the only FN49 that ever did that. So I think that is a really cool modification, and to my mind, these two would be my two favorite FN49s. There are some other cool ones. You can get 30-06 caliber ones. Luxembourg bought FN49s in 30-06. But you got one here that's really good for soft shooting in 7 Mauser. You got one here that actually has detachable magazines, so you're not stuck using stripper clips. You know, like an old-fashioned pre-FAL, pre-G3 sort of person. So, this lot, along with about 2,500 or 3,000 other guns, are all coming up for sale today. You can check out everything they've got at Rock Island's website. Still time to place online bids on stuff for today, or Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I am having a fun time here at the auction. You guys do as well. Thanks for watching.